Hey guys, welcome to the PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we're gonna see how to create an e-commerce website on Shopify. So before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get into the video. So once you go to this any search engine and you just search for the Shopify, or else you can just go to the shopify.in. So let me just go to the shopify.in website. So here you can just find, as soon as you open your website, you can find that you have two things like Shopify and Shopify Plus. So the Shopify is a free trial, so firstly it will be free, and then you need to, if you just like the services, you can just pay and use them. And then Shopify Plus is for the enterprises and high volume merchants and large businesses. So you can for this video I'll just assume you that you are the beginners, like you are just a small business and medium businesses you are having, and you are a starter, so I have to make the e-commerce website for you. And so for this, let's click on start free trial in order to start a new trial, 14-day free trial with the Shopify. So here you just need to enter your email address, and then you just need to enter the store name. So let's quickly do it. So now we can see we are getting logged into this Shopify. So this will create so by doing this you will be getting some website name for your shop, like your online store or your business. It's like if your website name, like your shop or your business name is West Side, so let's say VS West Side, so that's what I gave. So it will be something like this. So this is all my store name that I have given, and this is .myshopify.com. so this will be the pattern that you will get on your website. So your website name, like your domain, and your it doesn't mean completely a domain, but the URL, the link that you can that is linked to your store, and your store name will be same. So then here you can see there is something called as tell us a little bit about yourself. So here you can see, are you already selling? So you can just give this all relevant answers. So you can just say whatever it is. So next, this is the which system do you use the most. So you do have, like, you may sell on Amazon, like what all the systems you choose. So here also you have different things, like I'm selling just not online. So many things you can say. Let's say I just choose this, let's say. So then where do you want to sell, both online and in person? So that's completely up to you. And where will you mostly sell in person? So you can just choose it, whatever it is. So then let's say I just want to do it only online. And then what's your current revenue? You can choose it, anything. So I'm just giving it to be 0 INR because I'm just getting started. So which industry will you be operating in? So it all depends upon you again. So let's say if you are operating for the beauty and other things like clothing or electronics or anything, you can just choose it like that. Or else if you're not decided yet, you can choose this. So let's say I'm just going to the clothing, and then click on the next, and you just need to add the address so that you'll be getting paid. So this will be used as your default business address. So you can even change this later. So let me quickly do this. So now you have successfully created your Shopify account, and once you have created Shopify account, your website will be also be created. So as I have told you, so now right now we can just go. So go to this page, like you can just copy. So here you can see you have only a few pages like your home page and your catalog page, like where all your products can be posted on, and then you do have your contact page. So here you have these pages, and you can just scroll down and you can see what else is there in the pages. Like you can just scroll down like this and you can find everything is empty. You can just add it in in afterwards. So then so once you got this website, you can start building your website. So firstly, so now we'll see how can we build our site in 2 steps. So first step will be setting up your store. So firstly, store is a place where your customers can look at all your products and then purchase them. So once you set up your store, your site will have your own products and your visitors will be able to purchase them. So we are going to set up the store. So in order to set up this store, so firstly it will be a login to Shopify website. So we have already logged into the Shopify website, and then or else if you want to log in, you can even log in like this. You can just use this /admin in order to log in. So this is how we can do it. So by just entering this, you can just go to this admin area of your site like this. So then the second step will be adding the products. How can you add the products? So to do this, you can just go to this in the left side section. You can go to the product section, and here click on add product. So here you can click on add product. So now here you can find in the add products, you can find this title. So you can give the title of your product, so whatever it may be. So here you get this example, like it's a short sleeve t-shirt. So here in the description, you can give some brief description about your products, like your details of the products. And then when you scroll down here, you can add the media, like your images of the product and the different variations that you provide that are in stock. You can just do it. And then here you can just give the pricing, and you can give the cost per item. And then so here you have a compared price, so you can just see this, like to show a reduced price, like if you just move the product's original price to into compared price, enter a low value. So it means like you are just reducing the price so that it shows up to your visitors. So then when you scroll down here, you can just in the inventory, here you can give the stock keeping unit and your barcode and all. You can just enter. And here you can find that if it is a physical product, you need to add the weight, and you need to give the country and your HS code. And if it's a digital product, you can just uncheck this. So as I am adding the physical product, I just check this, and then you just need to enter this details. And then if this product has an option like size and color, so what I have told you that it is if it is having some variations, you can check this box, and you can give this option name like the size, whether it's a size or color or material or style. You can just choose it, and option values you can choose it. And once it is done, you can click on done. And if you want to add another option, you can click on add another option. And in this way, you can add the variations to your product. So once you're all done with the changes, here you can add this product status, like it's active or what. And then you can give the organization, like which vendor. You can give the product type, and you can then give the theme template and tags. So many more details are need to be filled. So these are all relevant. Save in order to save the product. So as I have not entered anything, so it is not getting saved. But when you enter everything, and when you enter your order, your product, so it will get saved. So after you click on save, so this is our step 2, that is adding the product. So once you add this product, so this click on the save, this product will be successfully added to the product page, that is the catalog page. So go to the you can just go to the product page, and you can just have a look at it. So it's something like let me Yeah, so if you can just go to this page here in the catalog section, and you can find the product that you have just saved. So then so this means your customers will be able to buy products from your website to make it available. Again, firstly, they can be able to choose the product, they can be able to buy, click on the buy now button. So for third step will be, in order to make your customers actually buy your product from your website, we need to choose a plan on Shopify. So we can choose the plan just by going to the home. So let me leave this page, and you can just go to the home. Here you can find the select plan option. So click on the select plan, and here you can find some plans. So here you can find the basic Shopify plan and Shopify plan, which is recommended one, and advanced Shopify plan. So you can just choose one of the plans according to your requirements. So let's say I want to choose this plan, so I can click on this. So once you click on it and complete this billing cycle and your payment method and all, once you buy this plan, you will be able to your customers, your visitors will be able to check out your product. And this is all for the third step. And the fourth step will be setting up the payment method. So once you go to the Shopify, and let's go to this is the Shopify. So here you can just click on the store. So here by this you can view your store, and then you can just add any sales channels also. So then, and once you get your plan, you'll be getting this setting up the payment page also. So in this list, so you can just go there and you can give you can set up your payment method so easily, like whatever payment method you are comfortable with. Like you can go with the Stripe, with this which is most popular one, and also you can just go with some UPI payments and all. So once this is done, so after completing setting your payment method, you can even you can just so here you can see that what it looks like. So you can just go to the settings and go to the payments, and here you can activate this PayPal Express checkout, or you can do it like whatever manner it is. So you can see you have manual payment methods, alternative payment methods, and many more things. So once you are done with this, so fifth step will be making your site available to your visitors. So let's go back to the previous page. And so to make your store visible, so click on the preferences, and so here you can find all the preferences that you set up for your audience. So you can see them, like you can see that your password page is here, so that this means that your visitors will not be able to see your access your page. So in order to make it accessible to all your visitors and customers, you just need to disable this. So to disable this too, we need a plan. So for the fourth and fifth steps, we need the plan to be chosen. So, and I have told you how can you choose the plan in the third step. And then your website is now visible, and we have successfully set up our online store. So now your visitors will be able to buy your products. When someone places an order, you will be getting it on your inbox, like on your mail that you have attached it in this Shopify, like you have used which mail you have used for this creation of Shopify account. So that to that mail you'll get all the details about the orders placed and the payments made. So this is all for this video, guys. I hope you found this video useful to you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the PC Tips Pro. Thank you for watching, guys.